Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on NMR. As in my previous videos, I have been telling you that NMR is about to break a very huge channel, and this was by the way my last video that I shared almost a month ago with you. And finally, you can see that NMR has broken out this very huge channel, and now it is getting accumulated above the resistance. And in today's video, we will watch this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal of NMR that I shared a few days back on 17th of Feb with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of NMR that I shared on 17th of Feb. That was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that NMR formed, and after the completion of this bat move, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to enter here within this price range. And by the way, this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair. And now after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down again, re-entered this buying zone, and then we had a very nice pump. And so far, it has rallied more than 19%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that was, by the way, I shared in the month of December, on 15th of December 2022, and it was formed with Bitcoin pair on the daily time frame chart. And this was almost 70% pump. You can see how nicely it was moved up and rallied beyond the sell target. And this was more than or approximately 70% move. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal crab move that was formed on the weekly time frame chart, by the way, in the month of June 2022. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a very powerful reversal. And this was, by the way, more than 350% pump. And if you would like to catch such other moves before they start, then you can also join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such moves or trading signals on the daily basis. Now, let me take you here on the weekly time frame chart. And here we have a very big breakthrough on this weekly time frame chart. And in the month of January 2022, you can see NMR has finally broken out the resistance of this down channel. And after the breakout, you can see it has rallied almost 70%. And from this low of June, when we were testing the support of this very big down channel, June 2022 up till this high, you can see it has rallied more than 280%. Now, here you can see that it is struggling to break out the next resistance that we have at $23. At the same time, during this price accumulation on the smaller time frame, on the daily time frame, we have the formation of this symmetrical triangle. We have a big critical situation over here, even though the price line is following a quite long-term uptrend line support. But you can see we are testing the support more than the resistance of this triangle that has been formed recently. We have 3 touch points at the resistance and several touch points at the support. Therefore, there is a critical situation and a danger that the price line may break down the support of the triangle. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down the support, then uh, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $9.20. And in case of breaking out this pattern, the next move can be $32. However, if we move back here on the weekly time frame chart, then we have broken out a very big down channel. Therefore, sooner or later, the price line can hit the target for this down channel that is here at the top of the channel, approximately from $87 to $100. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.